Hello students, welcome to Learners University. I am Rupal Kaur Anand and today we will study about conjunctions. Conjunctions can be said as connectors or linkers, but all three words meant the same. These are the words that we have studied when we were young, the words that join two sentences like and, both, because. So all these words that connect two sentences are part of conjunctions. Now let's come on the definition of conjunctions. Conjunct means to join. So conjunctions are the words that join words, clauses, phrases or sentences. Now clauses are a good topic, so I will take the topic of clauses in next class or after conjunction. But right now, so that you can understand what clause is, basically clauses are the group of words with subject and finite verb. Now what are finite verbs? Finite verbs are those verbs that are based on the change in the subject, that changes according to change in the subject. Suppose the subject changes into plural person, so the verb, finite verb will also change. If the subject's tense will change, suppose the past tense, present tense or future tense, it changes into these tenses, then the finite verb will also change according to the tense of the subject. So yes, conjunctions are the words that join words, conjunction words, clauses and phrases and sentences. Now I have taken few examples like for, and, nor, but, or, yet. So these all are the examples of conjunctions. See, I have given it in this picture so you can read it and understand it. So next is, what do you mean by the concepts connected with the conjunctions? So conjunctions are based on some concepts that helps in deciding what conjunctions should we use. So here are the concepts and here are what connected by conjunctions. The concepts of place, time, addition, contrast, purpose, comparison, cause and result, alternative, condition and concession could be there. So suppose we have to connect something according to the place, so we use where and whenever. For example, I say I want to go where it rains. Now it rains is another sentence and I want to go is another sentence. And where joins the two sentences. Similarly, you can see in time there are when, while, after, before, as soon as long as, no sooner than. Now I will explain all these words but in later classes when we will discuss each category of conjunctions properly. But right now I am just giving you a total gist what are in conjunctions. Until, whenever, since and as well as. Also, both, besides, moreover, to, not only but also. Now sometimes we use that I not only like her but also care for her. So these kind of words are used to in the contrast in the abstract of the time. Now moving on, there is addition. Suppose I want to add two sentences, so I can use and, as well as, also, both, besides, moreover, to, not only but also. In contrast, I can use but. See, suppose I say I like her but she's annoying. So here I am using it in the contrast ki I like her but she's annoying. So there are two different situations, two different feelings that are joined by a word. But, still, yet, while, however, whereas. Now if there are concepts connected to purpose, that is that, therefore, so that, in order that. Then there is comparison. As, or so as, or than. See, I sometimes say I can say that I like her a lot, I like her than him. I like Radha more than her. All these words are connected to comparison. Now there are the cases of cause and result. Suppose I did something and it leaves a result, like as, because, for, since, so, therefore, so that, in order that. All these words are explaining some kind of result. I failed because I didn't study. I didn't study is a result, I failed is a cause, and because joins the two sentences. Similarly, there could be alternate concept of alternative, that the words that are used here is either, or, neither, nor, or otherwise. Suppose I say I neither like her nor him. Now there are concepts related to condition, if, unless, provided that, whether, in case. All these words are connected to condition. Now the next concept is concession. That means although, though, even though, but, however, yet, despite, in spite of. They are connected to concession. Now moving ahead, what are the types of conjunctions? We have read about conjunctions, definition of conjunctions. We know what are the concepts related to conjunctions and what are the words used during those concepts. Now we will study what exactly are the types of conjunctions. So basically conjunctions are of three types: correlative, coordinating and subordinating. Now all these three types we will discuss properly but in next class. For right now, all you need to understand is coordinating conjunctions are those that join similar grammatical units. Correlative conjunctions are those which are used in pairs. Suppose no sooner than or hardly when. Last, that is subordinating conjunction. They are used to join subordinate clause to the principal clause. Now we will discuss all these types in detail but in next class. Until then, what you can do is you can revise all these concepts we have discussed today, and when I upload the next class, you can understand it better. For now, the class is over. Have a good day and please like and subscribe Learners University.